Warm bread. What is there fresh? Warm bread. With a bit of butter spread.
I'm playing a marble Castanier, who is a middle-aged baker who moves to the village of Concord with his, shall we say, much younger wife, and makes the most fantastic bread that they've ever tasted, which seems to cure all of the villagers' problems, squabbles and arguments just by the sheer beauty of the bread. During the course of the show, a marbler's wife runs off with a much younger man, and this tends to have the effect on a marbler that he does something which he hasn't done for a long, long time. He turns to drink, and the resulting effect of a period of drinking in excess means that he loses his ability to bake wonderful bread, and the villagers are not too happy about this.
It's delirious. Not for one moment till my count. She learned the which knew I so get so strong like coffee quick. So I will be ready to get it everything strong.
So I play Geneviève Castanier, who is the much younger wife of Marbler the baker. And she is very impulsive, and I don't think she realises the damage she causes to the village when she runs off with another man. So my favourite song is Meadowlark, which is one of the most famous songs from the show. And when I first heard it, I just fell in love with it. It's such a beautiful melody and a very challenging song. It's not easy, and I really enjoyed performing it. It's a wonderful night out. It's funny, it's loving, and you will feel wonderful leaving the theatre.
What inspired me to get involved with The Baker's Wife was to explore a piece of music by Stephen Schwartz, which people know from Wicked, but this is a lesser known one, and I think it deserves to be brought to the attention of the wider musical loving public, because it's a fabulous piece of theatre.
The great Descartes declared, I think, therefore I am, therefore I'm here. Since you do not think, and therefore you're not, you take Descartes' advice and disappear.
What I love most about this show is that it gives us a chance to explore all the various emotions that you can get out of a musical, from playing amusing drug songs to playing really fantastic, deep emotional songs like If I Have to Live Alone, which really pulls at the heartstrings.
I've been wanting to do the show for a long time. I've loved it ever since it was in the West End. Trevor Nunn from the National Theatre directed it, and I fell in love with the score. But it's just a beautiful story. It's funny, it's romantic, and it's about real people and about how a village who are bickering amongst themselves can come together and put their differences aside and kind of heal themselves. It's a really charming, adorable, entertaining show.
Tell St. Super Joe, hello,